What's up, everyone? I trust you're all doing well. So it's Saturday morning here, and I'm getting ready to leave for a hike. I'm still going to Aberdares. I'm still doing the prep hikes for Mount Kenya. This is the last one. It's going to be the most challenging of all the hikes that I've done. I'm already ready. I have my hiking boots on. These are the latest ones that I thrifted from Gikomba the other day. So also the fleece jacket. So I'm feeling so warm, and I want to show you what I carry in my day pack. So this is a day hike. So first, I've already filled this bladder, this hydration bladder with water. This is 1 liter. I need 2 liters. So I need to add. The water that I've filled in is so cold. I do carry 2 liters. It's very cold, so hence this sweating or whatever is happening here. Yeah. So we are going to have this in our day pack. I think I should come on this side. So that's it, water. Then I need the snacks. So for the snacks, some Lucozade energy drink. It goes down. I have some nuts. These are macadamia. Sorry, these are cashew nuts, and these are macadamias. Some people prefer energy bars like the granola bar. I tried it last time. I didn't like it. So I prefer nuts. So that's what I'll carry. And something that hiking has taught me is that you don't need much. Lunch. Sleeping bag. Okay, I'll have that here. In here I have some pads. I'm in a hurry. Some tissue. For the pads, you never know, it might help you, or rather it might help me or someone else. You never know. So wet wipes, hand sanitizer, some medication. Some sunscreen and some oil. This is Vaseline. I like putting it somewhere I can reach. Some hair bands for my hair, so that one in the pocket. This raincoat will go here. That's done. Then here I pack some extra clothing, or rather extra clothing. It rains in the other day, so this might come in handy. Some socks. After hike snack, still fruits, some bitings for the road on my way back, some extra bag, some hiking pole, but before that I need some sandals, some extra sandals. This is my we are good to go. Music. And that's it. So yeah, that's it for my day pack. That's all that I carry. So let me know what you think of the video. If you hike, or even if you don't hike, what extra thing would you carry in your day pack? So that's it for today. So thank you for watching. I'm in a hurry, so I've just called my Uber. Guys, that's it for my day pack, or rather what I carry in a day in a day hike. So let me know what extra you would have carried, or what you wouldn't have carried. So yeah, and if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comment section. And yeah, I'll end it here. I've already called my Uber, so he's arriving soon. So see you tomorrow. I'll be uploading my hike for today tomorrow. So see you then. Don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't, and love you so much. Bye.